Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our quick Binance update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing those likes, we will go straight over to those accounts. So let's get the calculator up. Here we go. So what is it? Is it going to be 715.71? Come on. 715 plus the Binance is plus 0.9 plus 0.914 we'll call it. So yeah, 1.629, so it's a little bit lower than yesterday, but some of the alts have been hit, especially some of the MXC ones, so that's not too bad. Still making gains overall, so pretty pleased with that. Not done too much business wise. The bots have been doing their thing. $40 extra today. Got a couple of trades on here as well. So yeah, the bots have been doing their thing, which is good. We're currently sat in only about $760 worth of tether. I think I added to a couple of positions this morning. I added some more band, and I added, I believe, some more Ren, but I'm guessing we've got a Ren bot here that's taken that position down. No, we haven't. So yeah, that's strange, that is. I'm sure I did add that. Available, yeah, I'm sure I did. Unless I put orders in, they just haven't got filled. The orders were pretty much at the market though. So yeah, interesting. I'll have to suss that one out. Unless it's this. Oh, we've got some Bitcoin here as well, but that's from one of our bots. Our QLC bot is a Bitcoin bot. So yeah, interesting. I'll have to get to the bottom of that, see what I added this morning. I guess I could go on to orders, spot orders, and have a look at historical transaction trade history. That's the one. No, that must have been order history. See if there's order histories in here. I'm not sure really, because obviously this is mixed in with all the botcha. Yeah, maybe it's this RLC partial trade on it. It got filled there. I don't know, guys. I know I bought something. So there we go. But anyway, that's it, guys. So yeah, up slightly, not up slightly, down slightly since yesterday. But yeah, still all in all, I'm pleased with that though. We've got to get on that stretch to 1 Bitcoin. See what happens with Bitcoin today. But yeah, it's in the balance. Bitcoin itself is in the balance, so that may affect alts either way. So we'll have to see. But yeah, we'll have another Binance update tomorrow and our Bitcoin evening wrap later on this evening. Thanks for listening, guys. Not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll speak to you guys soon.